Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about fitness trends, the 12-3-30 treadmill workout. This simple yet effective routine has taken social media by storm, and for a good reason. It's great for weight loss, easy to follow, and delivers real results. But does it actually work? What are the benefits? And how can you maximize your results? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you, plus sharing some must-know tips to get the most out of this workout. Let's jump in. Alright, if you're new to this workout, here's the breakdown. Set your treadmill incline to 12%, walk at 3 miles per hour, do it for 30 minutes. Sounds simple, right? But don't be fooled, this routine is a serious leg and cardio burner. It was popularized by fitness influencer Lauren Giraldo, and ever since she shared it, people have been swearing by its weight loss and endurance-boosting benefits. Here's the deal, walking at a steep incline engages more muscles, especially your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. This means higher calorie burn. You can torch around 300 to 500 calories per session depending on your weight. Muscle toning, your lower body gets a solid workout without the impact of running. Boosts metabolism, consistency helps improve fat burning even after you leave the gym. It's also low impact, which makes it perfect for people who want to avoid joint pain while still getting a killer workout. Now, if you really want to see results fast, here are a few pro tips. Start slow. If 12% incline is too intense, drop it down to 6 to 10% and build up. Engage your core. Keep your abs tight and posture strong to avoid lower back pain. Wear the right shoes. A good pair of supportive sneakers makes all the difference. Stay consistent. Aim for 3 to 5 sessions per week for the best results. And here's a bonus. If you're serious about leveling up your fitness journey, check out the best workout supplements I've linked in the description below. This workout is amazing for beginners and advanced fitness lovers alike, but it's important to listen to your body. If you have knee or back issues, consider a lower incline to reduce strain. And if you have heart conditions, always check with your doctor before starting a new cardio routine. On the flip side, if you're looking for an efficient way to burn fat without running, this workout is a game changer. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the 12-3-30 treadmill workout. Whether you're looking to lose weight, tone your legs, or just switch up your routine, this is an awesome way to make treadmill workouts exciting again. Have you tried it yet? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and check out the description for my favorite workout essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.